Have you ever wondered how life as we know it came to be understood? What seemingly microscopic revelations led to the formation of the complex biological theories that we know today? The answers lie in the journey of understanding cells, the building blocks of life, and the development of the cell theory. The tale begins in the mid-17th century with Robert Hooke, an English scientist with a penchant for the unseen. Hooke was the first to discover cells in 1665. His curiosity led him to examine a thin slice of cork under a self-designed microscope, where he observed tiny, box-like structures. He coined the term cell for these structures, inspired by the similarity to a monk's small room or cell. Nearly a century later, in 1838, a German botanist named Matthias Schleiden added another chapter to this story. He proposed that all plants were composed of cells, a groundbreaking idea that set the stage for further exploration. The following year, in 1839, Theodor Schwann, a German physiologist, came to a similar conclusion about animal tissues. He declared that all animal tissues were made up of cells, mirroring Schleiden's findings in the plant kingdom. Schwann's statement was the last piece of the puzzle that led to the birth of the cell theory. The cell theory, as proposed by Schleiden and Schwann, had three fundamental tenets. The first was that all organisms are composed of one or more cells. This idea was profound, highlighting the universality of the cell as the basic unit of life across all organisms, whether they were as simple as an amoeba or as complex as a human. The second tenet was that the cell is the fundamental unit of structure and function in all living organisms. This meant that not only were cells the building blocks of life, but they also carried out the essential functions that made life possible. The third and final tenet was that all cells come from pre-existing cells. This principle, added by Rudolf Virchow in 1855, explained how life propagated. It was a crucial understanding that dispelled the old belief in spontaneous generation, the idea that life could spring from non-living matter. The cell theory was more than just a collection of observations about the microscopic world. It was a revolutionary understanding that changed how we view life. From the discovery of cells by Hooke to the contributions of Schleiden, Schwann, and Virchow, the cell theory has been a testament to the power of curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. So the next time you see a leaf fluttering in the wind or hear the distant bark of a dog, remember the microscopic cells that make up these organisms, each one a testament to the power of the cell theory. Indeed, life as we know it, in all its complexity and diversity, can be traced back to the humble cell, a testament to the power and elegance of the cell theory.